Firstly, I filled in every tray cell with a growing medium, which is organic soil. I filled in about 3/4 of each hole. Secondly, I watered the medium in each of the tray cells to provide moisture. And then I placed a few water spinach seeds in each cells of the seed tray. After that, I covered the seeds lightly with some soil. After covering the seeds with some soil, I sprayed some water just to lightly wet the growing medium. And then, to provide moisture during the germination phase, I covered the tray with a black plastic bag. After a week of germinating, I start to transplant all of the seedlings into a bigger pot with a new planting medium. To prevent any damages, I transplant them gently and carefully to avoid sudden shock to the plant. After 52 days of growing, my water spinach seems to be large enough for me to harvest. For the first layer of my compost, I placed the organic soil as the base. Then, I spread out the banana skin that I have cut into small pieces. After that, I poured some vitagen to supply microorganisms. For the next layer, I spread out the freshly cut green waste. Then again, I poured another layer of vitagen. I placed eggshells as well as additional input. Another layer of vitagen. I spread out some dried leaves as the last layer of my compost. After that, I watered the compost pile. Lastly, I covered my compost with a black plastic bag